Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks and hedge funds trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite AI and algorithms are able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation. So that way, people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending upside of the equation. You can see how capital U for Unity software pops up with nearly a 250% increase in institutional bullish volume. No surprises as to why the stock's up 6.5% as a result. Now, what our AI is identifying is that typically in these private exchange networks where large market makers do transactions, only about $415 million of the stock is traded on a 7-day previous average. Today alone, over $1 billion. No wonder the stock is making such a large directional move. Now, it's important to get access to this information before the move happens. So our AI is able to pick this up at the beginning of the morning. We even send out alerts to our users to keep them up to pace. So you can either go to tradealgo.com and make a trade directly on your own, or if you're busy with work or you're newer to trading or you just need some extra assistance, you can choose to follow the alerts that are sent out. Hey guys, we're doing Unity, $45 call from the main dashboard, June the 16th, expiration 29 cents in premium price. Now let's go ahead and go to the options chain here. On Unity software, let's go to the $45 call. We're going to stick with the 15-minute candle because we already know our entry time and price. 29 cents on the $45 call. All the way down here at its maximum, up about 108%. It is not about timing the market perfectly. However, in this case, it was timed basically perfectly, out at $42.33 of the Unity stock price, which was right at the very peak. So out at a little bit over a triple-digit return. However, people are still very happy sharing success stories with us, saying things like, hey, I locked in 70%. Thank you guys so much. Or, hey, thank you so much to TradeAlgo out at Unity at 57 cents in premiums, which, assuming that they got in at entry, would be just about a 100% return. And it wasn't just Unity. There were many other opportunities as well. However, we don't have time to go through all of them. Let's look at maybe one or two more. NVIDIA, 175% increase in bullish volume. A $1 trillion market cap is jumping 6%. Massive move. Well, there's no wonder. Typically, only $12.5 billion is traded. Today was nearly $22 billion. It was nearly $10 billion extra than what it would normally get. So it's important to use speed and transparency to get access to that information early. At 8:07 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 times the average amount of bullish volume is identified in NVIDIA when the stock was at about $410. Right now, it's sitting at about $433. If I go to NVIDIA, you could see a huge list of triple-digit winners. For example, let's say you had done the $425 call option. At the beginning of the day, options were just north of $2. At its maximum, that's just under a 400% return. But in all reality, again, it's not about timing it perfectly. I know that on the Unity exit, that was timed pretty great, which is fantastic. However, maybe you didn't even get in the trade until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and decided to hop out early at a little triple-digit return. Maybe you didn't get into the trade until 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and then hopped out early over here at a 100% return. The whole purpose and the whole point is get access to the data down here instead of chasing it over here. Plenty of profit to be made in between. One more example here. Let's go with Nike from the large cap board. NKE, you could see 200% increase in bullish volume, massive market cap jumping nearly 5% as a result. Our algorithm's able to, of course, detect that from the private exchange trades and transactions happening at 8:07 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, if we go to the options chain, NKE, you can see a nice list of triple and even quadruple digit winners. For example, on the $111 call option, again, we'll just stick with the 15-minute chart as it was identified in the pre-market. At its maximum, it's a 1,274% return. Again, maybe you got in late, and maybe you got out at a terrible, terrible exit down here at the very low, still a 100% return. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.